Hello, amigos! Welcome to a brand new adventure with Wander and Wonder. Amigos means friends in Spanish. Today, we're going to have so much fun together. We are going to learn to count to 10 in Spanish. Ready to count with me in Spanish? Get ready to clap your hands, stomp your feet, and shout out loud because we're going to have so much fun learning to count. Let's make some noise! Vamos, amigos! First up, we have uno. That's how we say one in Spanish. Can you say uno with me? Uno. Great job. It's like having one yummy cookie all for yourself. Next comes dos, which means two. Can you hold up 2 fingers? Let's count them together. Uno. Dos. That's amazing! We have 2 hands to clap with. Clap your hands with me. Uno, dos. Now let's say tres. That's 3 in Spanish. Can you say tres? Tres. Wonderful. Look around. Can you find 3 toys? Let's count them together. Uno. Dos. Tres. I bet you can. Next is the number 4. Cuatro means 4. Can you say cuatro? Excellent! Yes, you got it. Let's count to 4. Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Next we have cinco, which means 5. Can you say cinco? Fantastic! 5 is the number of fingers on one hand. Wiggle your fingers with me. Give your hand a high five. Great job counting to 5 in Spanish. We already know cuatro and cinco, which are 4 and 5. So let's keep going and see what's next on our number adventure. Next comes seis, which means 6. Can you show 6 fingers? Great job. After 6 comes siete, which means 7. 7 is such a fun number. Can you say siete? Great! Now it's time for ocho, which means 8. Say ocho! Great job, amigos! Now it's the number 9. Nueve means 9. Can you draw a line in the air with your finger? Woohoo! 9 is a number that can be found in many places, like 9 planets in our solar system. And finally, we have diez. That's how we say 10 in Spanish. 10 is a big number. Let's give ourselves a round of applause for reaching 10. 10 fingers, 10 toes, and 10 amazing numbers we've learned today. Now we will have a fun Spanish quiz. Let's practice counting objects in Spanish. It's going to be fun. How many cars do you see? Uno, dos, tres. 3 cars. Great job. How many apples are there? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. 5 apples. Wow, you're amazing. You learned how to count to 10 in Spanish. That's so impressive. Keep practicing. Now go out there and share your awesome Spanish counting skills with everyone you know. Adios, amigos. And don't forget to like and subscribe and watch our next fun video.